In 1899, a peculiar case baffled doctors in London. Charles Osborne, a farmer, began hiccuping during a routine pig slaughter. His hiccups persisted for 68 years, earning him a spot in the Guinness World Records. Why do we hiccup? It's a mystery dating back to ancient Greece, where Hippocrates first documented the phenomenon. The diaphragm's sudden contraction causes a quick intake of breath, but why it happens remains elusive. Osborne's hiccups finally ceased in 1990, leaving behind a legacy of curiosity and medical intrigue. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing stories.